Hey. What do you think, Raven? You a good girl? What's Moose doing? He's stalking. Moose is gonna pounce. What do you think, Moose? Yeah, you're a good boy. What's Raven doing? Moose is the boy. Raven's the girl. Here's Moose. Moose. Yeah, you're a good boy. Let's see what Raven's doing. Here's his sister Raven over here. Good girl. What do you think, Raven? What do you have? You got fur hanging out of your mouth. Hey, you biting, Moose? Hey, thanks for the hearts. I see flying hearts. Thanks for the likes, everybody. Hey, it's River Raven. Say hi, Moose. Say good morning. Here's Raven. You're a good girl. We've got freezing rain out today. All the trees are covered in ice. Check out the walnut tree, covered in ice. Yeah, hit that thumbs up. Thank you. What do you think, Raven? You're a good girl. Yeah, it's not warm, but we like the cold. Right, puppies? What are you looking at, Moose? Yeah. She's like, let me ski one more time before next season. You're a good boy. What do you think, Raven? You're sitting funny.